Welcome to the day three of this wonderful training. And in today's section, we'll be looking at client management and service delivery. We're looking at client management and service delivery. And in this, we are trying to look at strategies for effective client interaction. Okay, so this section, we're looking at how do we communicate with clients and how do we manage clients for exceptional and wonderful delivery in terms of output and in terms of communication. Very important and very key in as much as you're working as a remote worker or you're working as a virtual assistant. Okay, so we're looking at identifying and working with clients. Understand your target audience. Okay, identify the types of clients who would benefit from your services. Consider your demographics, industry, and specific needs. Now, trying to work with your client, there are considerations that should be in your mind. Number one is demographics. Which country can I work with? Which country can I speak the language fluently? Remember, countries of the world have their specific languages which they speak, and if you know you can't be able to communicate in terms of language and in terms of demographic culture, many things are involved. Okay, now you should be able to select and identify the countries which you know they suit better to your niche, because it will come to a point, even though you are using translator to communicate with your client, in terms of writing to them, they might sometimes request to call you on a video call, and what if you can't be able to communicate effectively in terms of language and other things involved. So now what we're looking at is consideration in terms of demographics. We look at industry. You know, as you're working remotely as a virtual assistant, we're also looking at the industry which you specialize, or which you can be able to deliver exceptionally. Mind you, that you are able to work as let me say a customer service manager in an e-commerce store might not guarantee you to be able to work same as a customer care manager in electrical store or engineering store. You know, so industry specialization is very much key, and it's very much important that you know which field am I going to be able to perform better. If you are good, you can work with healthcare industries, good, but you might not work with electronics industry or electronic store. So you should be able to know the kind of client which you're working for, the kind of client which you want to work for. Okay, and the next thing we're going to be looking at is what am I going to deliver? What am I going to give them in terms of value? So if you have been able to identify your industry, then you are looking at specific needs. What are these clients looking out for? Major category of what you'll be working for as a virtual assistant is: number one, you can work as email marketing manager, you can work as customer care manager, you can work as data entry manager, you can also work as social media manager. These four categories identifies you much better as a virtual assistant, though there are other areas which you can also specifically deliver as a virtual assistant. Okay, so but then once you have been able to identify the location, that's demographics, which you want to work for, then you're also looking at the industry of which you want to work for and the niche which you want to work for. Then of what specific needs, what are you going to deliver? If you want to deliver in all these areas, then you should be found capable and you should be able to learn all the skills required for you to deliver for each and every of your client specific needs. Okay, now building client profiles. Create profiles for ID clients include such as business size, location, and pain points. Okay, now networking and outreach strategies. Utilize social media, networking events, and industry forums to connect with potential clients. Focus on building relationship rather than just sales pitches. Now, one of the things I've always found so much important and so much necessary in this field of remote working is building relationship. Building relationship is very much important. See, it's not just about making money, trying to make money, build a client, you build them. No, a client A which you work for, because of you have good rapport, good relationship with that client A, can lead to client B, client C, and as many as you can think of because of referral programs. If you're able to deliver exceptionally for client A and you have good rapport for client A can refer you to other clients. That's what called networking. You know, he or she can trust you and say, because of you've done better for this project, I want to refer you to as many other clients which I know that may be needing your services. So focus on building relationships rather than just sales pages, rather than just collecting money. It's not just about money collection. It's about relationship, reputation, and trust. Okay, so let's look at effective communication skills. Okay, now active listening. Demonstrate genuine interest in clients means by listening attentively and asking clarifying questions. Okay, don't be in a rush to go into a task without understanding what your client wants. You know, what your client wants from you is very much important for you to deliver exceptionally. If you don't understand better, please, you are free to ask questions. Ask your clients what they want exactly so that you don't make mistake and you walk around the clock without achieving your client needs. So clarity and conscience and conciseness. Okay, even in terms of communication. Okay, communicate your ideas clearly and concisely to avoid misunderstanding. Use simple language and avoid jargon. Now we're gonna be dropping a video again or about this particular paragraph. Okay, about clarity and conciseness. How do you communicate your ideas clearly and concisely to avoid misunderstandings, and how do you use simple language and avoid much jargons? Okay, we're going to drop that video so I can be able to communicate effectively, maintaining this point here. Okay, now feedback mechanism. Establish feedback loop to ensure clients feel heard. Okay, encourage them to share their thoughts on your services, suggestions, and for improvement. Now this is just about review and feedback. What are your clients going to tell? Like, if you watch this video, make sure you like this video, you comment, and you share this video. That's the feedback I want from you. If you're enjoying this video, please ensure to subscribe, because after this training we'll be dropping different video tutorials on how you can be able to work better as a remote worker and different IT skills which you need. I'm going to be dropping them on this channel, and how to make money easily, in as much as we focus on working from home. Okay, you don't just need to go to the office to make money. We are going to be dropping different videos and what I have done to fetch me money working from home. Okay, I'm going to be dropping that. So if you like the value which I give out on this channel, please ensure to subscribe, like, and share this video so that other persons will also come back to this channel to watch some of these educated video tutorials. Okay, so what we are saying right here is that feedback mechanism: establish a feedback loop to ensure your clients feel heard, encourage them to share their thoughts on your services and suggestions for improvement. Okay, very much important. When you ask this from your client, you know that you're maintaining your reputation and trust, and you know that you're a person of integrity. Okay, so very important. So managing client expectations and deliverables. Setting realistic goals. Discuss what can realistically be achieved within the project timeline and budget. Be transparent about your capabilities. Now, we've been able to learn how to use and how to manage projects using Trello, and how to communicate using Slack, and the organization of tasks using calendar. Okay, if you've not watched that video, please ensure to go back and watch that video. That video is very much important. Every video that we drop in this channel is for a specific purpose. By the time you rush and you don't flow properly, by the time you guys are well equipped with certificate and all the things you need to work outside there, you will notice that these videos are very much important, and then you might be in a rush not to go and watch videos again. So please go and watch those videos and ensure you're on track. So now, but the point here is that you are setting realistic goals. Okay, discuss what can realistically be achieved within the project timeline and budget. Don't overtax yourself beyond your capabilities. Many of us, we are not transparent with ourselves. You know that you cannot be able to deliver this within that time, and you want to also fix it. Then you're choking yourself with a lot of works, and you don't know how to manage your expectations from your clients, and how to deliver promptly and with better output. Okay, so please, it's very important to set realistic goals. What you know you can be able to achieve, please do that. Now we're looking at creating detailed proposal. Prepare comprehensive proposal that outlines services, timeline, and cost. Okay, this helps manage expectation and serves as a reference point. Now we will also educate you more on how to create detailed proposals for your client. Okay, now regular update and check-ins. Schedule periodic updates to keep clients informed about progress. Use these check-ins to adjust expectations and gather feedback. Please, it's very bad for you to get your client works. You're working on your client's project and you're not giving your client feedback. It's very bad. So on every stage which you are in terms of your development, in terms of your project, whatever you're doing for your clients, please always relate with them. Okay, and let them share with you also their expectations and their feedback. Okay, so that you don't work all around the clock without achieving your client's needs. Very important. So now assignment: drafting a professional email. Okay, now we are going to be drafting out a professional email. How do you write email? I'm going to also be dropping that video, how you can be able to draft a professional email, create a professional email. Okay, now purpose of the email will be, the email should serve as a pitch for your virtual assistant VA services, highlighting your skills and how you can add value to their business. Now we've been able to learn different VA skills. More tutorials are still upcoming. If you have questions, please drop in the comment section. I will put you through. Now, but this is, if you're writing a proposal to your client, okay, this is how you should be able to picture yourself by writing a mail that should be able to serve as a pitch for your virtual assistant services, highlighting your skills and how you can add value to their business. I'm expecting this email as a PDF form. Please draft it like a PDF and send to me. Now this email should be able to have these key components. Okay, include a subject line, keep it clear and engaging, enhance your efficiency with professional VA services. You know, your subject headline should keep it clear and engaging. Don't worry, I will drop a video on how to write professional emails. Okay, include briefly, introduce yourself and your services. Now value proposition: highlight how your services can solve their problems and meet their needs. This is what I want to expect from you. And then call to action: invite them to schedule a meeting or reply for more information. I need your contact details here. That's what I'm saying. Okay, I need your contact details here. So these are the points, or these are your assignments, what I expect each and every one of us to do once after watching this video. And if you go straight to this video without watching how to communicate effectively video, and how to write professional emails. I will know, because you can't do this without putting in those points I'm going to be dropping in those videos. Okay, please ensure to watch this video before you come back and do this assignment. Okay, I wish you good luck and success. Now, summary and key takeaways recap. For key points, we need to learn that um, the importance of identifying clients, okay, effective communication and managing expectations, very important. Encouragement to practice, encourage participants. We encourage you to apply what you have learned in real scenarios, okay. Remind them to draft their emails as part of the assignment. Now this is the assignment I've already related with you. The company is saying I should remind you to draft professional emails as part of the assignment. Okay, now the key to great client service is not only meeting expectations but exceeding them. Okay, through consistent communication and reliable delivery. Now, all these things we have explained them. Make sure you keep your clients with feedback, with what the level of your project operation. Give them prior knowledge of what you're doing, and let them tell you what they also want. That will initiate consistent communication and reliable delivery. If you have a question, please do not hesitate to drop your question in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you've not done that. Okay, stay connected and follow us on all our social media platforms. Once you go to any platform, Facebook, Instagram, um, just type Digitech Solutions Company. We're gonna come out and you're gonna follow us if you've not done that. Thank you. Thanks for participating.